Hello everyone, welcome to our grammar class. In this class, we are going to discuss about the examples for future tense. Okay. Before that, I just recall you the structure of future tense. Okay. First one has to be simple future, and second one future continuous. Third one future perfect. Fourth one future perfect continuous. Okay. Now I am going to write the structure of these four tenses. Simple future structure is will plus base form of main verb. Base form of the main verb. Okay, base form of the main verb, right? And future continuous. Here base form of the main verb. Okay. Future continuous structure is to be will plus be plus present participle. Present participle of the main verb. Okay. Main verb oda present participle, right? And third one future perfect. In the previous classes, I told you if perfect comes mean we have to take the verb have. Okay, have family verb, right? So here perfect. Will plus have family. Here we are going to take a verb from have family, that is have. Okay. Will plus have plus past participle. Will plus have plus past participle. Just write the short form for participle. This is participle. Okay. Past participle of main verb. Past participle of main verb. Okay. And fourth one, future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. If continuous comes mean what mean? Present participle of the main verb. Okay, wow. Will plus have plus been. Okay, here we are going to add one word, that is been. Been plus continuous mean present participle of the main verb. Present participle of the main verb. Okay, this are the structure to future tense. Okay, simple future tense. Will plus base form of the main verb. Future continuous. Will plus be plus present participle of the main verb. Future perfect. Will plus have plus past participle. Sorry, here I told the past participle, right? Actually present participle. Okay. And future perfect continuous. Will plus have plus be plus present participle. Okay. One clue you have to remember, that is present participle means adding ing to the main verb. Okay. If it is see means seeing. Then perfect. Perfect. The word comes means we have to remember that here we are going to take a verb from have family. Okay. Clear? Now let's have an example for these four types of tenses. Easy one, okay? Because examples only make everything to understand easily or understand better, okay? First, main verb. Here, main verb, base form of the main verb. Then, I'm not going to give you too many examples. I'm not going to give you too many examples because we already discussed on this topic. So I am just going to give only 3 examples. That is more than enough. Okay. Main verb first, and second one, simple future, and next one, future continuous. Okay, and the third one, future perfect. Future perfect, and the last one, future perfect continuous. Okay, I just written in the short form the simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Okay, if you can't understand it, just look here the topic. Look here for the topic. Okay, now the main verb I am going to take write. First one write. Okay, and second one see. Walk. For this main verb, we going to write the 4 types of tenses. That is the simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Okay, are you ready? Yes, this is very simple only. Simple future. Just look at the structure. Simple future. Will plus base form of the main verb. Will plus base form of the main verb. Will base form of the main verb here. Write no change in verb. Okay, so just write as it is. Will write, and future continuous. Future continuous in the sense will plus be plus present participle. Okay, will plus be plus present participle. Will be present participle of main verb. Here write. Okay, write in the sense writing. Just simple writing. Okay, will be writing, and future perfect. Perfect. Just look at the structure. Will plus have plus past participle. Okay. So let's write down. Will have past participle of write is written. Okay. Past participle of write is written. So written. Okay. And future perfect continuous. Just look at the structure. Will plus have plus be plus present participle. Okay. Will have been present participle of write is writing. Writing. Okay, that's it. Very simple. Then second one is we see. Okay, here after no need to look at the structure. We can look the first example. Okay, will see in the sense will plus main verb. Okay. Will plus, here the main verb is see. So will plus see. Instead of write, we just add see. Okay. Then future continuous. Will be. Just write down the same. Will plus be plus present participle. Present participle of see is seeing. Present participle of see is seeing. Okay. And third one, future perfect. Just write down the verbs because they are the same. The verb is same for all conditions. Okay. Will have see. See the past. Yes. The past participle of see is see. Okay. Then last one, future perfect continuous. Will plus have plus been plus present participle of the main verb. It is see, seeing. And the last one, walk. Okay. Simple future. Will plus main verb. Walk. Will plus walk. Then future continuous. Will plus be plus present participle. That is walking. Then future perfect. Will plus have plus past participle. Walked. Okay. Then future perfect continuous. Will have been present participle writing. Okay. I'm just going to explain the whole topic in Tamil. Just look here carefully. Simple future in the sense, simple future na adoda structure paathukonga. Will plus base form of the main verb. Okay, idhume will plus kuduthirukra main verb அப்படியே எழுதி போறோம். Future continuous na will plus be plus present participle. Will போட்டு be போட்டு present participle. Okay, write it na writing, see seeing, walk walking, ing add பண்ண போறோம். Very simple. Then future perfect na will have plus past participle. Past participle na எழுதிக்க பாருங்க. Write the past participle written. Likewise every main verb எல்லா main verbக்குமே என்ன இருக்கு? Past participle இருக்கு. அதை என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும்? எழுதிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? Then fourth one future perfect continuous. Okay, will plus have plus been plus present participle. Very simple. Present participle ரொம்ப ஈஸி. என்ன பண்ணணும்? ing add பண்ணணும். அவ்வளவுதான். அதுக்கான மூணு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தாச்சு. Okay, because this is more than enough. ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சிட்டோம்? நிறைய கிளாसेसல இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் எக்கச்சக்கமா பார்த்தாச்சு. And this is the last class. So நான் கம்மியான எக்ஸாம்பிள் எழுதி போட்டுருக்கேன். ஓகேவா? I hope இந்த டாபிக் உங்களுக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆயிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். And thank you so much. The next class we will discuss about the next topic. Okay, thank you.